It's a new 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, trailer hitch receiver, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.